In this video, we will learn how to blink LED on Proteus simulator. I am going to open Arduino IDE to load the program. So first I have clicked on Arduino IDE. Then type the program in this IDE. I have already typed the program in a notepad. I copy it from that place and paste it in this IDE. Program is loaded here. Then verify it. Before verifying, save this program with some name. That program will be saved in Arduino folder. This is the Arduino folder. Within document folder, give here a name, blink LED. It is the name of program. This will be also the name of folder where that program will be stored. That folder is shown in this Arduino folder. This program is saved in the name of blink LED. Now we verify this program. If there will be any error, it will show in this window. There is no error, so I generate the hex code of this program. To generate the hex code of this program, we click on sketch, then export compile binary. It will generate two files and that two files will be displayed here. These two files are generated. We require this blink led.ino.standard.hex file in Proteus simulator. Now for blinking the LED in Proteus simulator, I am going to click this icon Proteus 8 Professional to open the Proteus simulator. This is the screen of Proteus simulator. I am going to click this schematic capture icon at this place to design the circuit for blinking the LED. This is the screen where we can design our circuit for any program. To blink the LED, we need some component. To select that component, I am going to click this component mode in left side. Then click on P. It will show new window. In this keyword text, type Arduino to select Arduino board. It will show the list of different Arduino board. I am going to select Samilino UNO, this one. Third from the last. To select it, we double click on this place. It will show the picture of this Arduino or component, and it will also list the Arduino in this window. Then we required second component, LED. Type LED in this keyword. It will show the list of different LED. I am going to select red one. For that, I double click on this red LED. It will show the picture in right side, and also it will list in this window. Then next component we required is register. So for register, we type here register and press enter. It will list in this window. Now we place all these components in this area to design the circuit one by one. For that, first we select red LED and double click in this window. Then I select register component and double click in this window. Select Arduino board, Samilino UNO and double click in this window. We can move it anywhere. One more component is required, that is ground. For that, we click on this terminal mode to get the ground component. It will list the all different components in this window. Here I select ground and double click in this area. Now all components are placed in this area. Next requirement is connect all these components. To connect all these components, bring the cursor at pin number 13 and click at this place. When it show the pencil icon and click on the pin number 13, then click on one end of the register. Then connect this register with the LED with long pin of LED, that is with anode. Another pin of this LED is connected with ground. Now connection is complete. Change the value of register. To change the value of register, bring the cursor at this register and press mouse right button. It will show one another pop-up window, and in this window click on edit properties. It will show the value of that register 10K. Change it to 220. Then press OK. The value of this register becomes 220 ohm. Next work is to load the hex file of that blinking program. For that, I double click on this Arduino board. It will show one window. In this window, I move to program file and click on this browse icon. It will show the location, and our location is in our Arduino folder. So I move to the Arduino folder and select blink LED folder. Then select this first one, blink led.ino.standard.hex. Then click on open. That hex file is again click on open. Then the hex file of that blinking program is loaded in this Arduino board. It is required to work this Arduino. It is required to run the blink LED. Now everything is completed, connection is complete, and hex program of that file is loaded on the Arduino board. Next, run this program. We click on this run button. LED off, LED on, off, on. It will continue on and off after every 1 second, as I have written code in the program. That's all. Thank you.